Last week, some 2 lakh students in 14 cities went through the city finals. After some mind-boggling rounds, about 200 students all over India made it to the national finals. After the city finals, the 200 hopefuls from all over India reached IIT Mumbai for a 2-day finale of the national finals of ICANN Scientifica. Nervous and excited, the students got off the buses and registered themselves.
I'm feeling very nervous and excited for the questions and everything. There are a lot of good competitors here, but I think I can make it. But if I don't, I'll still try my best.
Students and parents from Lucknow, Delhi, Vadodara, Chandigarh, Mumbai and Jaipur sat expectantly inside the mighty convocation hall. We were welcomed briefly and then it was competition time again.
Finally shortlisting, we'll be finding our student icons of India. You need to make your own group in your own zone. Your group can be minimum of 2 people.
The first round was junk create. That meant to create working objects or gadgets out of waste. We had to work in groups of 2 or 3. We were given a list of problem statements to solve and paper money to buy wires, cardboard boxes, paper, stones, cellophane sheets, aluminium and whatnot.
Actually, we are all from Mumbai and we became friendly in the city file itself. So we met each other here and decided this group.
If we had thought we had made it out of the city finals, we were mistaken. There was a lot more to come.
This is a shooter and we have made it with 2 pipes and 1 torch and 1 laser. The laser is used for aiming and the torch is used for in the night you can use it. And we have tied 2 rubber bands on a pen over here and tied it in with 1 rubber band. We use 2 safety pins over here. The ripple acts like a bullet over here. You can pin the safety pin inside the ripple and then just pull it.
It's a mouse trap. We took cardboard, we made 6 sheets of it, small sheets, and then we stuck it with sellotape. Then we made a hole on this to start putting something or roll something inside. Slap it inside and then it will close.
Kaleidoscopes, motorboats, skateboards, parachutes, pinhole cameras, bridges, mouse traps, rocking chairs and even a guitar.
It's a guitar.
सारी उम्र मर मर के जी लिए एक पल तो हमें जीने दो.
To judge a model, we have 4 parameters here. The first is how, up to what extent the problem statement was solved.
The second parameter is innovation in design. How innovative he was actually in the design.
Third one is how efficiently someone has used the material. And we don't want someone to procure a lot of material and then waste it.
And the final criteria of our judging is the final product. How final product is actually. For example, it was a parachute, so it should trajectory that should be like a parachute, okay? And the final product should be good enough. Do you think a motorboat of cardboard is an efficient use of resource?
And tell me one more thing, why it is not working? What do you think?
It was half done, but the time was over, and we would have made it of plastic or some floating material. Other mistake was that it was of cardboard, so it will sink, of course.
The boat without the weight is floating properly, but when we put the weight, because of small holes, the water gushed in, but till this level it came in, and after that it was not good. So the judges gave us an average price of 16,000, which the range was in 1600. The range was in 1900 to 1300.
Whatever marks we got, all of us surely had a great time becoming inventors for a day.
We made a trebuchet, we made a parachute, we made a spectrum model, kaleidoscope.
Our construction was perfect, means the appearance and it was perfect. The only problem was that it wasn't working only because of the sellotapes we used.
Oh, it was only not working, otherwise all was well.
I'm really feeling very happy that kids have gone to this much level. We also belong from IIT Delhi and IIT Kanpur. But kids like 5th, 6th and 7th, 8th standards have gone to this much level. We are really very excited and
thrilled about it. I had thought that these kids will not be able to make even a single project. But they made 2 or 3 in a couple of hours.
It was really difficult for us to judge the best 5 because they had so much potential in them. We are really very happy.
Well, the parents waiting for the children were inventing too, their own games.
The children are busy cracking their brains, and we were just to kill our time, we got busy playing bingo. This little boy has taught me bingo today. I didn't know how to play it, so I've learned it and we're enjoying ourselves now.
And then it was time for the second round that all of us love doing and get scolded for at home. Play games on the computer, an interesting mix of games that we played against the computer and some 12 opponents at the same time. It was a lot of fun.
I liked that computer one. It was really nice. And the best one in that was the Bulldogs one, which we had to move the blocks in one hole. So that was really good. I liked that really much.
There were many very nice ones. And one was a multiple screen game, means only one screen was there and 12 people were competing against each other. That was a really nice one.
Day 1 came to an end, and once again it was time for the results.
Are you guys ready for the results? ID number 7, 0.
Only the top 40 were awarded. That left quite a few broken hearts and disappointed students. But some were thrilled beyond words.
I don't know how to speak. I have no words. It's amazing to be here, and I'm so proud of my own self. And I'm very happy that I've made my parents proud.
We are extremely delighted. This is a wonderful evening of our life. My daughter Neha really bring this wonderful event for us.
I wasn't expecting such a good thing.
I really never expected that I am going to be there in the second, and that too in the national finals among 5 of the 7th standard.
I didn't have that much confidence that I'll come the first in the whole 8th standard.
जैसे अनाउंस हुआ bottom 5 का, he was very confident. बोलता कोई बात नहीं पापा, if last ये तो bottom 5 है, मैं top 5 में आऊँगा, why you worry?
I think she will do best in her life. I pray for her.
Only the top 20 made it to day 2, the final competition to find the student icons of India.